resellers, I am on the floor, and that means I have an unboxing for you today. This is a Helpsy source unboxing of White House Black Market. I am on a roll with it, and I have been really enjoying it. It's just one of those brands that, in comparison to some of the other brands that I have purchased boxes for, like Zara, J. Crew, Banana Republic, it just does really well. And I don't know if it's because I'm picking the right pieces to list and I'm not picking the wrong pieces and I'm getting rid of the wrong pieces, or White House Black Market's just a superior brand to some of the others. You guys know I love my Zara, but lately I'm on a White House Black Market kick. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So I'm gonna open everything up and let you know this is a 40-piece box. I feel like they cost $144 plus shipping. You always want to use a discount code. My code is Rebecca the Reseller for 10% off. So what I'm looking for in these boxes are high-waisted pants and jeans. If it's not high-waisted, I don't want to list it. Also, this is an old tag. I'm looking for new tags. If it's high-waisted, I will still list it, even if it's an old tag, but primarily I'm looking for new tags. So this is the new tag. It's the long, skinny one. That's kind of what we're looking for. Now, I don't know. I haven't been to a White House Black Market store in a long time, so I don't know if there's even a newer tag. This has a little schmutzola on it, so this we're gonna send off to ThreadUp. Anything that I don't wanna list, I'll take to my local Style Encore, see what they take. And then anything else will go to ThreadUp as just a way to liquidate it. I don't expect to get much for it. I'm not a big ThreadUp seller like I used to be, but I do utilize it strategically to just kind of get rid of stuff. So this dress is really pretty, and this has the new tag. I'm not gonna show it every single time. So this I'm gonna be listing myself. So we're gonna just make all of these different piles. And then those are gonna go to over there. So this looks like another dress, though it looks like it's inside out. New tag, it's inside out for sure. Yes, it is a dress, nice long midi style dress, nice like overlay. So I'm just gonna put this, and they always have these little stickers on them. So I'm gonna put that in my dress pile as well. So that's good. So I love getting dresses. I will say oftentimes you kind of get these like the old style White House Black Market dresses. Like this is an old tag, but this is actually kind of cute and not necessarily old in style. Like I think this is very pretty. So even though it's an old tag, I'm still good with that. So oh, this is fun. And even the basics sell, you know, I have a 2 for $30 sale, which by now you should see on my channel by the time this goes up probably. And it goes well with some of the basics, things that you just, you know, like I want to put it up for 25, but it's not going to sell for 25. So this is a fun sparkly dress. So that's good. And it's new with the tags. And so often in these White House Black Market, it's marked down, which is a bummer. So I'll have to take a look at that, because I really don't like when I might just cut that off. Yeah, I just kind of cut off the part with the red. So this is just a top, new size small, but it looks so big. New tag, sparkly shirt. So this will go for sure in my 2 for $20 sale. Someone will buy that. This is a nice long sleeve sweater with a cutout back, really pretty color. This I will list, and that will go in my sale. Here's another dress. So yeah, this one is kind of like a little more dated. I mean, someone could still totally wear it, but you could definitely tell that it's a little bit older. And then this has the white tag, old tag. So this, you know, I don't know, we'll see. I'll have to think about that. I'm not sure. I don't want to waste your time with all of my goings back and forth. So this one is an old tag, pair of pants, skinny leg, 8R, but this does not look high rise. It's barely. So it's probably a mid-rise. I think I'll still put it in my 2 for $15 sale though. I'll have to keep track and look back at my what has been selling and see. If mid-rise is selling, I'll keep adding mid-rise to my sale. If mid-rise is not selling, I'm going to stop doing that. So these look good. These are 6 long, the skinny ankle, new tag. So these look good. Pants, and those are high rise. So we'll put those in my sale. So far I only have 2 things that I don't want to list, and everything else I do want to list. I've gotten a significant amount of dresses. This one's very cute. Old tag, size 12. So this is the ones I'm kind of talking about. Like they just did so many strapless, you know, kind of things. This one's cute in that it's kind of like, you know, a lingerie sort of a type of thing, but so many old style ones. Oh, here's a sweater, new tag. This is pretty. So that we'll put in the sale. I mean, honestly, you could get more for some of these, but these days I've been really trying to keep things simple, and I'm just putting a lot of these basic things that I get for so inexpensive from Helpsy Source. Ooh, extra large. Nah, I think that's gonna be too big for me. I always love picking out the size large stuff. Yeah, no, that I'll put on myself. So the stuff that's basic, this is new with tags. The short, size 0, paper bag waist, belted, kind of a faux leather. Yes, brand new with the tags. So this will go in my sales. So these are $84 shorts, and someone's gonna get them for, they get listed for $35, or they're gonna be 2 for $30. So that's awesome. Here we got a nice blazer. This is a way old tag, way old tag. Blazer. I would put this on my sale if it was not so dated. This I think I'm gonna send to ThredUp just because I just don't know that anybody wants this. And I hate selling blazers, so I don't want to sell that. If it was more current, I would sell it though. White House Black Market. Again, a lot of these tops just super basic, but on a 2 for $15 sale, someone will say, oh, I could totally bundle 2, and they do. So this is just a little skirt. I'm on the fence on this. But everything so far, just the one had schmutz. I mean, again, I'm not looking at these like super in depth. Obviously, once I get them under the lights, like here's a pair of white shorts. So I don't know what's gonna happen with these. I'm sure once I get them fully under the lights, I'll probably find something wrong with them, but you never know. These are white, the 5-inch short, size 6. So those will go on my sale. Normally I don't want to sell shorts and tank tops and stuff like that, but since I have been doing this sale, things have been going rather well. So this is just a little, you know, strapless top. I don't know. Maybe we'll put it up and see how it goes. I don't know if somebody's going to buy that or not. I'm more willing to here's one that I'll put up. So this is a blazer, like I said, or jacket, moto jacket. I don't really like it. It's a 00 for goodness sake, but I am going to list it because it's easy, quick to list on my 2 for $15. And so someone will buy it. At that price, someone will buy it. This is pretty. So we're getting a good mix. Sweaters, pants, tops, dresses, that's what I like to see. I mean, obviously my favorite, here's another new one. Oh my God, but it's so old, but still new with the tag, size large. But I don't want this top, so I'm not gonna keep this top, but look at that. Look at how old that is. So that's going on the sale. This one's cute. So this is just a little cardigan sweater with rhinestone buttons. Yep. And again, I'm not giving this a full super duper check, but usually, you know, a few items have a little something on them. Sometimes you can save them, sometimes you can't. This is a beautiful dress. What size are you? 4. So that's gorge. And yeah, I'm just super happy with this box. And lately, you know, I mean, there's always some that are better than others, of course. Here's another cardigan, size medium. This one's a zip up. That looks great. And I could put these up for more, but I used to. And now I'm just like, you know what? It's not that I don't need the money. I'm like, yes, I want to make lots of money, but what I'm just finding is that things can sell quicker and easier. This is a new tag, crushed velvet tank top. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. Not as many pants in this one as there have been in the past. I feel like there's been more dresses. So these are 10 regular blank White House Black Market old tag. It's probably also mid-rise. I don't know. Like, I'm debating if I need these. I'm a size 10. Do I need these in my life? Not if they're a mid-rise, that's for sure. Do I want to list you? We'll see what happens. So only have 3 things in the I don't want to list pile so far. Size 0, the Sculpt Skinny Ankle, High Rise Classic, new tag. They're white. They have a little schmutz on them. Not a lot. Like, if I washed them, it probably would come out, but I don't want to wash them. I'll probably just send them to thread up or take them to the buy sell trade store, as I said. So that's 4 items out of 40. Not bad. And they usually say 10 to 15% damage rate. Those aren't even all damaged. I just didn't want to sell them specifically. So this one is kind of like a little trumpet skirt. So we'll put this up, 2 for $15. It's an old tag, but I'm just more willing to experiment when I know that the prices are so low. When I used to list things for definitely $50, there's still some things like I might. Like the dresses could go up for $50. I don't know if I will put them up for $50, but they could go up for $50. So we'll see. The slim crop, size 0, new tag. These definitely look high-waisted, especially for a size 0. Yep. So those are gonna go up. The 00 thing, I'm a little concerned because I don't know if I have any other White House Black Market things that are 00 for them to bundle it with. But the thing is, I have boutique stuff. So this is a nice dress. Just a simple black, although okay, so the hem on this is no good. So that's gonna go to thread up or the buy sell trade store and see if they take that. What was I gonna say? I forgot. So this is old tag Legacy 8R pants. Let's see. Debatable. So I'm not gonna do those. These are brand new. 6S, the high rise skinny ankle. So those are definitely gonna go up. These are $89 jeans, brand new with the tag. I mean, yes. yes. I mean, I always go with some kind of discount, so I'm never paying full price. And sometimes they run sales and stuff at Helpsy Source. Oh, this one definitely has some schmutz. Might just be able to come off though. I bet you if I took a wipe to it, I could probably get it off. This is very old style. Look at this. What is that? So I'm not gonna list that. And then this is a nice jacket blazer, also new tag, extra small. That's very cute, so that will list. This is just a tank top, extra small. You know, it's an old tag, but like this style, somebody will wear that. You know, it's just classic paisley stuff, whatever, somebody will wear that. Ooh. So this is another jacket. So definitely high value stuff. Now this has belt loops. There's no belt. So that's a bummer. You can never really expect belts to come along with everything, but you can still sell that without the belt. That's fine. And then here's another jacket too. Man, jacket jackpot. Woo! So look at that. Got lace sleeves. Pretty. Size 10. I would never wear that. That is not my style. But that is very pretty. And I do love White House Black Market. I think that's another reason why I like buying it, because I used to wear this all the time, you know, when I worked in an office. So old tag, size small, dolman or batwing or whatever you call it. Sleeves. I can list this. It's a little like wrinkly, but I can list this. So man, we went through that pretty quickly. I feel like 15 minutes flat. So I'm listing almost everything. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items that I don't want to list. So less than 20% of the box. They're not all damaged. They're just some of them I don't want to list. A few of the damaged things, I could undamage them if I wanted to. I probably won't. We'll see what happens. But I mean, so many dresses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dresses. That's a nice proportion of dresses. That doesn't happen every time. And then a lot of outerwear, that doesn't happen every time. I feel like I've gotten more boxes that were more pants heavy, but that's good because this balances out. Like I already have a lot of pants listed. So now I'm gonna have all sorts of other things to list. So I'm really pleased with this box. I know what some of you are thinking. Oh, well, Rebecca the Reseller, you're making a video, so of course your box is good. No, 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 because I order from a separate account that has nothing to do with Rebecca the Reseller. And I can tell you Helpsy Source is a pretty big operation. The lady packing up the boxes and slapping on the labels does not know who I am and does not care who I am. So nobody cares. And so I'm not getting anything special. They literally just pack these boxes, and then when orders come in, they slap the labels on them. Like no one knows who's getting what. There's no foul play, promise you that. But thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're gonna order from Helpsy Source, which I highly recommend, use my code Rebecca the Reseller for 10% off your order. You can get your pallets there, get your boxes there. Try things out, but don't spend too much. Buy things that you know and trust. That's the way to do it. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.